So yeah, what is the main purpose of JDBC in Java? JDBC Java Database Connectivity allows Java programs to connect to and interact with relational databases, which JDBC driver type translates JDBC calls into database-specific calls by using native libraries. Type 4 JDBC drivers then drivers directly convert JDBC calls to database-specific protocol without native code. Before executing any SQL query, which method must be called to establish a database connection? DriverManager.getConnection is used to establish a connection with a specified database, which interface represents an SQL database connection in JDBC. So yeah, it's used to establish a connection with a specified database. Type 4 JDBC drivers, thin drivers, directly convert JDBC calls to database-specific protocol without native code. The connection interface represents an active connection to a database in JDBC. Which JDBC statement is used when you need to execute dynamic SQL with different parameters at runtime? Prepared statement allows setting parameters dynamically and executes SQL efficiently in general. Which exception does JDBC primarily throw when something goes wrong? JDBC throws SQL exception for database-related errors. Yeah, so it's JDBC SQL exception. Prepared statement allows setting parameters dynamically and executes SQL efficiently. Prepared statement, which interface represents SQL database connection JDBC. JDBC throws SQL connection for database-related errors. Identify the correct order to perform basic JDBC operations. The execute query connect create statement and close. Create statement connect execute query and then close. Connect execute query create statement and close. None of these make sense, you know, because you can tell all the orders are all muddled up. So just connect, create statement, execute query, then close. Connect to DB, create statement, execute query, and then close the resources. Given this snippet below, what will print if the database is connected successfully? So connection failed, exception thrown, connection successful, then no output. Then connection successful because not equal to is null. So obviously it's not null, so it's going to return system out print connection successful. If the connection is not null, it indicates a successful connection and then the message will be printed. Which JDBC driver type uses an immediate server to communicate with the database? Type 1, type 2, type 3, and then type 4 in general. Just type 3 because type 3 is network protocol driver using an intermediate server for communication within the database. Which of the following is true for callable statements? It is used to call stored procedures in the database. I know this one. It's in the name. Callable B. I didn't even give that one time. And yeah, callable statements used to call database stored procedures. So you have completed 10 out of 10 questions. Your accuracy is 100%. Thank you. You know what I mean? So yeah, thank you very much. Take care and have a nice day.